Hey beautiful people, it's me Esther. Welcome back to my new video. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I said, you know what, like I'm going to do a natural hair video because a lot of people have been asking me to. So yeah, I'm going to start today. And I'm sorry this video I've been really busy with graduation and my brother and everyone graduating, so it's been a little bit hectic. But yeah, so in this video I'm just going to be stretching out my hair and testing this new main product that everyone has been using that I looked up on YouTube. So I'm going to see how this hair gel is going to take my natural hair and if it's going to stretch it or whatever. So yeah, I'm really excited to see, or for you guys to see, how my natural hair takes the hair gel. So yeah, keep on watching, guys. Alright, so my first reaction when I first felt the hair gel, it's super sticky, it smells amazing, so that's one thing that I really liked. And once I put it on my hair, it absorbed it really quickly. You can see my curl pattern more than usual. It was more elastic, more I don't know, it was just it took my hair in really good. So I really like this gel. I have 4C hair, for those who don't know that, but yeah, it's really good. And before I section off my hair, and then after that I always with each section I put castor oil on it, and then I go in with the hair gel. And the hair gel, I honestly would recommend it to anybody else who would want this to, I don't know, just wear your hair out, because it looks really pretty. But I decided to just leave my hair out and go about my day. I'm also going to be doing one side of my head off camera and the other on camera, so you guys can watch that. But alright guys, I'm going to stop talking now. So alright, keep watching the video and make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you at the end. Honestly, this hair product, I was super surprised on how it held my hair. It held it for probably, let's see, 2 days, because that night when I did my hair, I just twisted it down and tied it with a scarf and with a bonnet. So it stretched my hair for a long time, and it was not flaky the next few days. So I honestly recommend this product for everyone to try, because it's really nice, especially for 4C hair. You can let it, breathe and let it lay down for a bit. So I was super happy, and this product is probably $8 or $10. Yeah, I got it at Walmart, so you can probably find it there too. I got the last product at Walmart actually, so I think a lot of people use this product. But yeah, I'll be linking everything down below that I used. But alright guys, see ya. Hey guys, so like a little side note, if you see me like creating like disgusting faces, just don't mind that. I do that when I'm braiding my hair, brushing it, whatever. Yeah. Hey guys, so this is the finished product of my hair. I have some heat damage at the front of my hair from straightening it at the beginning of college when I had leave out. I really liked the way it turned out because not a lot of hair gel holds my hair the way this gel does, and it doesn't make my hair flaky like how Got2b glue would if you put Got2b glue like all over your head. But with this gel, it took it really well, so it wasn't too flaky for my liking. But alright guys, if you want to see more natural hair tutorials or how I do my hair every day or whatever, just let me know and I will do it for y'all.